Hi, good morning guys. Today I'm going to show you a quick trick on how to fix your humidity fan that just keeps on running constantly, and sometimes it gets annoying. In the middle of the night you hear the fan just running all night long and you're wondering how to turn it off. Well, you went to the right channel. Watch this video and I will show you how to adjust your Leviton fan humidity or Leviton humidity fan, and your problem will be solved. And I just found this trick this morning and it worked on my fan. So follow these steps and your problem will be fixed. Alright, so this is your Leviton switch. If you have a leather home or a brand new house or a newer homes, I think most of the switches are made by Leviton. So you see there it says Leviton. So go look at your switch and see what it's called. If it's Leviton, then this is the right video for you. So let's go. Let me show you how it's done. First step you need to do is you need to flip the switch. This one comes off easily if you lift up. This one just detached from the cover. See how fast that one comes off? And this is what you'll see. Your next step is to take this cover. So you just press down from the top firmly, not too hard. Be careful not to break it, and voila, it comes just right off. And if you look closely, you have three switches here. 1, 2, 3. The one on the left, the bottom left, is the duration on how long you want your fan to be running. So this is the duration: 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 1 is 10 minutes, 2 for 20 minutes, 3 for 30, and 4 for 40 minutes. You don't want it too long, so mine is set for 1, which is 10 minutes. This is the one that makes it run all day, all night, and constantly. Pay attention to your setup. If it's the settings are low, medium, high. When I opened my switch and I took off the cover, I saw that it was on high, so you may want to switch it depending on how often or how sensitive you want your sensor to be. So right now I put mine between medium and low. And then this one, I think if you just want it on and off. So these are your settings. So once you're done and you played with the settings and the settings that you have it works for you, then I would put it back in the reverse order. So the first one is put the switch back on the cover. So you will do the opposite. The bottom first and then the top. And then just press gently and see how fast that goes. And this one should just slide in. So voila. And then also you may want to make sure that the green light is blinking or it's turning on, and you may want to test it, make sure that it's working for you. So press the button and listen. Alright, then turn that off. That's it. That's how you reset your humidity fan that sometimes goes on all day, all night, and gets annoying. Alright guys, I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching this short clip, and this is how you adjust your Leviton humidity fan. Thank you for watching.